So today we're going to cook a mushroom and cauliflower casserole, for which we're just going to chop up the cauliflower and the mushrooms, fry them in a pan, and then later mix together with these red lentil pasta and see if it works for us. So now we're cutting up the mushrooms, and we're not slicing them this time because it's supposed to be like a casserole, so we want bigger pieces to go with the cauliflower. So I'll just quarter these and then we'll fry them like that. Or saute, not fry. So going in the pan. Just cutting up the cauliflower now. First remove the greens. And then really to make it simple, I cut along the stem. It's a little bit messy, but it works. And then you have this. Now, we'll cook the cauliflower first, just for 5 minutes. Soften it up a little before it goes into the pan. And use salt water, and we put in a little milk. Well, we're going to saute the onions. I would suggest just using olive oil. You can add some butter later for taste, but that's just a personal thing, really. You can fry them in butter, of course. You just have to watch for the temperature so it doesn't burn. So it takes a little longer because you can only go with lower temperatures, and sometimes I don't really have the patience for this. Okay, so now we're going to boil this cauliflower for exactly 5 minutes. We don't want it to be mushy and soft. We just want it to have a better texture. Okay. Add a little salt and pepper when we're cooking. We're going to add some thyme to the mushrooms, and then maybe even a little bit more oil. Vegetable stock. We're making a sauce now. Some creme fraiche, some more salt and pepper, and some flour. Just to get a little more creamy texture to the sauce.